and we went through security. They had Zane down because they thought he was cute.
So weird.
You want to be in it? Say hi to the vlog. Hi vlog. We're just chilling outside. We outside. Don't talk. That's cool. It's really nice out here. See, look, here's the golf course. And then over here we have a Zane and a Delaney, and then pool over there. And yeah.
She was vlogging on the plane.
Kick the cactus.
Hi vlog. It's the next day now. We just went to the gym and now we're walking back from the gym.
We got big. I'm still bigger than Kylie though.
No, he's not. I did more than him on bench today.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
He just at the bar. Like what?
That's so cap.
I'm just kidding. It's warming up out here. It was chilly, but now it's better.
It's so nice today.
And I think today we're going on a hike thing, and we're going to dinner, and we're going to an art thing later. Architecture or something. I don't know. It's cool. Do you have anything to say, Zane? You don't talk much.
Happy New Year vlog. Hope everyone's New Year's going great.
Why do you always run out of the camera when you're done talking?
I don't want to see the camera anymore.
Don't look at me. Vlog, we're here to hike. Hiking. How are we feeling?
Not happy.
I'm just here making my bed. That is a breakfast. As you saw me eat my smoothie, it was really yummy. And then we're hiking Camelback Mountain today. And what else we're doing? We're shopping at bougie stores. I want to go to Zara and Zane wants to go to a shoes store. And there's Ruby. Don't we look alike?
No. You're making my double chin come out. I don't like it.
Sorry. Okay. Where's your hiking outfit from? See, this one's Colombia. Cool.
You're just gonna wear a white t-shirt to hike in? Where's your outfit from?
The thrift store? Origami, I think.
You're gonna be a little chilly.
What about you? North Face.
I had a t-shirt yesterday and a jacket.
Adidas.
Adidas. It's really low to the ground. We made it to the top.
Vloggy, we're done with the hike. We're here at Whataburger. Look. Oh. Hi vlog. Right now, we're at a mall. Zane's eating a wrap. It's so sad. We've been to like we have not been in every store. We've been to a lot of stores and nothing fits, or like they don't have my size. So I bought nothing, so it's kind of sad. And Zane was gonna buy shoes, but they didn't have a size either. And that's sad. Oh, it's stuff. But Whataburger was yummy. And the hike was good. The hike was like really hard. There were stairs and then there was rails and then it was just boulders. And it took like 3 hours. But it was fun and we did it. So that's all that matters. She's a material girl. Is there even anything in it?
Yeah. It's fake.
What is it?
I'll show you in the car.
Okay. Show the vlog your purchase. Comment below how much you think this costs. Now we're at crumbl cookies. Yay!
Chips in
Hi vlog!
Get all the
I won!
There you go.
No, Grandma still has some. Grandma got a second.
If Grandma wins, he might.
10 of this suit, and whoever gets that.
So I don't.
We're going to ATV. And we have our protein.
Smack that ass like a drone.
The sunset.
We're staying warm.
Here's the sunset. This is pretty tonight. Okay, Zane, give them your review on ATV.
2 thumbs up.
Oh, it was fun. It was cool.
Kylie was a little nervous at first,
See?
but she did well.
Yeah, I drove. I whipped that shit. Here we are at the gas station. Guess where we're going?
Sedona.
Yep. Good job, Zane. You listened.
Get hype.
We're going to eat. Let's get up the stairs. Hey. Look at that guy. I'm out of breath. Good morning, vlog. It's 5 a.m. and we're out here playing soccer. Just kidding, it's not 5, but it's early. Vlog, now we're getting some coffee. We're treating the fam this morning.